Hello everyone, my name is Haris Farzami. I am a licensed real estate broker and mortgage broker. Are you waiting for interest rates to hit the bottom before you buy in the Greater Toronto area? You are not alone, but you might be walking into a trap while everyone is sitting on the sidelines watching the Bank of Canada. The smartest investors know are doing the exact opposite. Here is why. Waiting might be the most expensive mistake you make this year. Right now, we are in a rare sweet spot across York, Durham, Peel, and some other regions. Inventory is up, and for the first time in years, buyers actually have leverage. You can negotiate on price, you can keep your conditions, and you don't have to decide in 5 minutes. But this window is closing. History in Toronto tells us one thing. As soon as the official signal of lower rates hits the headlines, the floodgates open. Think about it this way. If you wait for 1% lower interest rate, but end up paying $100,000 more for the home because of a bidding war, you haven't saved money. You have lost equity. You can refinance a mortgage rate in 2 years, but you can never refinance a high purchase price. In the Greater Toronto area, price growth often outpaces interest saving faster than you can say it's sold. The Greater Toronto area market does not reward the hesitant. It rewards the prepared. Let's get you ahead of the curve. Please share this video or leave a comment to get the future videos. Thank you for watching.